So, how hot is the market out here in Elk Grove? Folks, Suneet Agarwal out here, this listing that just closed. Um, so, let me just tell you the story of the case study. We put the house in the market, aggressively priced, in my opinion. It's a house I know very well. It's belonged to my family for 15 years. I've lived here in the past. So, we priced it pretty aggressive, on the high side. But my gut told me that we could get a lot more. So we wanted to make sure not to leave any money on the table at all. Put it on the market, got several offers, 10% above the asking price. But something told me that we could get more. So, being the top agent in the area for a number of years now, we have strategies that help sell houses for more and break records in neighborhoods. The crazy part is we had just broken a record in the same neighborhood about 3 blocks away 2 weeks prior to this house hitting the market. Another one of my listings right down the street in Laguna. So something told me that we could list the price. We could get more for the seller of this home. So we employed a strategy. I'm not going to share it. We employed a strategy the final minute, final hour, and we were able to sell for another 10% above list price, raising it to nearly 20% above list price in an area that I had already thought was aggressive. So all these neighbors out here who are going to have to sell now, you're welcome. We broke records. We gave you 2 good comps in 1 month. If you have any questions or want to know more about the strategies that us top realtors use to make sure we leave no money on the table ever, give me a call. I would love to chat and be a real estate resource, help you in any part in Northern California, pretty much anywhere ever. Great referral network. But if you're thinking about selling or even buying, or just want some more insight on the market, how about a real estate opportunity? If you want to change your job, change your life, give me a call. I'm Regat. See you next time, folks.